This is a 2016 Jeep Cherokee with a 3.6 liter, and it has a tapping noise that's coming from these rocker arm. They have a roller bearing on them, and these roller bearing, they go bad, like this one here especially. Let me show you that. This one here especially, this roller bearing went bad and it's making all kinds of noise. So look carefully. See that movement right there, up and down movement? See all that movement in there? It's like a wore out ball joint. When you have one that's good, maybe this one is good. Okay, this one is good. Had no side play movement, only rolls like that. That's a good one. I want to show you a quick and easy way to do this without this fancy timing setup here to hold your timing chain for you in place. I'm sure you've seen this already. Today I'm going to show you how to do this without it. I have it, but I'm not going to use it. I don't need to use it. I can definitely do this rocker arm without that. Alright, so here we go. So the first thing you're going to do is rotate your crankshaft pulley to get the lobes. Let me show you on the camshaft, these lobes right here, to release the pressure off the valve spring in the bottom. So you rotate the crankshaft until you can get this to release here, the first one here, and whichever else one you can get. Rotate it until you can get most of them released. So that way you can slip these rocker arm out of place and replace it without the timing chain tool, without taking all of this loose here. I just marked it and marked it here just in case. So the next thing you're going to do is release all the screws on the camshaft caps, these bearing cap here. Release all the screws on it. Don't take it out, just release them as much as you can, all of them. Then the next thing you want to do, the next thing you're going to do is get a pry bar or a big screwdriver, and you're going to pry up right here, nice and easy. Pry up. You see how that's moving? It's giving you enough room to slip that rocker arm out of place and put the new one in. Let me show you how that works. Okay, we're going to pry here, then I'm going to slip the rocker arm out of place, just like that. Okay, we're going to put this one back in. That's a new one. I already changed it. And you're going to need the magnet here definitely to help you to do this job. Okay, I'm going to slip it on the valve, then I'm going to slip it across the hydraulic lifter. Then I'm going to release, take off my magnet, and there, that one is in. After you finish changing whatever you can on both camshafts, you're going to just tighten down the screw, but you don't have to tighten it down. Just bring it down back in place, and then you're going to rotate the engine from the crankshaft one more time to release the pressure off the spring pressure off the other cylinders that you need to replace the rocker arm, and then loosen up the screws on the cap again so you can pry the camshaft up to give you that room to slide the other rocker arm out of place and slip the other one in. And that's how you do it. And then you retorque all your screws when you're done, rotate the engine, make sure everything is okay before you put your covers back on. And that's the easiest way to do that without any fancy tool or dismantling the whole thing.